Welcome everybody, and today I wanted to show you a simple tutorial how to start building with 2D Kinematic Pro platformer set. And Kinematic 2D is a 2D character controller not based on physics while still maintaining collision detection. So I have this test scene and I'm just going to build a simple test environment for our character to walk around. So first I'm going to navigate to the prefabs folder and go to tiles and just throw this meat cube onto our scene. So just for ease of use, I'm just going to position it at 0, 0, and then I'm just going to make it really wide so our character can walk around. Now we have a ground for our character. It's that simple. Then I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop our actual character, this little flame guy. So that said, then I'll also gonna drag and drop my camera prefab. With that camera, I'm just gonna move it so our character is visible. There's one thing still left to do before we actually can play a scene. So we're gonna go ahead and create an empty game object, and we'll actually call it level bounds. So those are going to be our bounds for the level, and I'm going to add a box collider 2D for that thing, mark it as is trigger, and I'm going to go ahead and resize it for a level bounce. So in my case, it's going to be like within our ground, so we don't have our user falling down. So with that set, we now can go ahead and actually tell the camera to have those level bounds, and then we'll let the camera know so it needs to follow the player object. And the last thing, we're actually going to also have a level bound set for our player. So as you notice, there's different properties for a player bound script, and this defines the behavior for boundaries. So for example, if let's say a player hits above boundaries, nothing's going to happen. Below basically means when the player is falling down, it's going to kill the player. And then left and right, we're just going to have a constraint. So we're actually ready to play our first scene. So I'm going to go ahead and click play. And here we go. You can now see that we have our little character standing around, and we actually can go and we can see that the camera actually follows in a smooth way the character. So we can also jump, and then once we are on the right side, the camera actually stops at the boundary, and then our character doesn't go there as well. So that's it for the first video. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions, and thanks for watching.